And now it's time for the mix. So there is this incredible story about this adorable little toddler. I love this. Who brings me time to a new level. Take a look. If you can't tell, she's playing peekaboo with herself. She sees a reflection right there in the window, and she just becomes her own best friend, saying peekaboo. And this was put up, it's since August 4th, has gotten 500,000 views, and it was captioned, "My daughter made a friend," sort of.
I dig her pink socks, and I must say, if she's looking for a Christmas gift, go for a mirror, Mom. Go for a mirror.
That'll be enough.
Easy.
Doesn't
Easy
take
enough
much.
for her. It's so cute. All right, moving on now. This could take the cake for inspiring story of the day. This is a young baseball player from North Carolina, Dawson Batts. He's got a name for baseball. He's 12 years old, and look at that. He's only got one arm. Only his right arm. He was born without his left arm, but he has some serious power. And he can pitch. Look at this. This is at a baseball tournament over the weekend. And he takes the ball there and takes first base. But this guy says, Dawson says, he wants to go to NC State, and he eventually wants to play for the Red Sox.
Oh, what a great story. We are cheering you on, buddy.
Way to go, Dawson.
I love that story.
Dawson.
Well, daddies and daughters have a very special connection.
Okay.
And it's pretty cool when you on YouTube at 10 years old can come up with your own rap song for your dad. Take a listen.
Get it with my dad. Get it with my dad. We be having fun playing games, we be laughing. Get it with my dad. I'm the princess.
That's called Kicking It With My Daddy. It's got 12,000 views, and she just talks about her dad. It's an original rap song for her dad, and she's pretty talented there, I think.
She's got it. Go her.
Yeah.
That's awesome. At 10 years old.
10 years old.
All right. Finally, we got to wrap this up with a modern-day message in a bottle. This is a pretty cool new app that's just out. It's called Fling, and the new app will send a text, video, or photo that you compose to 50 random people.
Wow.
So you put it in the app, it sends it out to 50 people. You have no idea who they are. The other person opens it up, and if they like your message or whatever randomly comes to them, they can respond.
Okay.
No personal information is put out there unless you get it. But who knows where the conversation will go?
I kind of like that. It is like a modern-day message in the bottle for your iPhone. I like it.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Just don't put anything too scandalous in those pictures.
Okay.
You never know where it'll end up in that bottle.
Thanks for the advisory notice.